So, most of us have heard about the Dud Perfect smoothie at Smoothie King, but can we make it better and can we make it plant-based? Let's find out. Hey there, it's Sophie and I'm going to be doing the audio recording for this video. So these are the ingredients we're going to have to use. We want to chop them up, and if your blender can take it, you can also just leave them whole. We're going to add about 200 milliliters of water to our blender first, and then we're going to add in our cup of ice cubes, about a cup, or you can just do about I would say 10 regular size cubes. Then we have here 2 cups of plant-based yogurt, and we're going to add this to the blender as well. And then here we have about, I think that this was 2 bananas. Yeah, 2 bananas. And we chop them up, so let's add those in. And now here we have, I think, 2 cups of pineapples. They're nicely chopped up. And here we have 2 kiwis, which were peeled and cubed, and we're going to add those in as well. And now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of this plant-based vanilla protein powder, which we bought. You can of course make your own, but this is just to do it a little faster. Now we're going to add in our little magic powder. I'm just kidding. This is an algae which is called blue spirulina. It's like normal spirulina, but it's just blue. And this one's actually healthier than the normal spirulina, so we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of that to make it blue. Here's what it looks like, our little concoction. And we're going to put this in the blender, and we're going to cover it up with a lid, nice and tight. And now we're going to go ahead and fire this baby up. Let's go ahead and remove it. Now we have our own cup, Dud Perfect cup from the store, which comes with the smoothie that you buy, but of course you can just use your own. I'm going to just add a little bit of the smoothie into each cup. I'm going to remove the tops and the straws, and just look at that beautiful Dud Perfect blue smoothie coming out of there. It looks absolutely perfect and nice and Dud Perfect blue. Now I'm going to add some into the cup, and oh wow, the smoothie and the cup, they just vibe together. They're made for each other. I'm going to pop the straws and the lids onto each of these so we can go ahead and enjoy our delicious smoothies. Salud. Está perfecto. Thanks for watching. Bye.